Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have got with us the Tata Tigor ZX Lux. In this elegant color, the Tigor has always been known for one of the India's most affordable compact sedans. But in this top ZX Lux trim, Tata has given a quite premium touches. So in this video, we'll take a closer look at the design, features, practicality and comfort this sedan has to offer. From the front, the Tigor definitely carries the Tata's Impact 2.0 design language with chrome accents and projector headlamps on the other side. The bumper design makes the car look a lot more stylish compared to the older compact sedans. From the side, the Tigor's biggest talking point has always been its coupe-like roofline. For a budget sedan, it looks sleek and proportionate. In the ZX Lux variant, you get a diamond cut alloy wheel that really complemented the brown color body or the beige color body. And at the rear, the LED tail lamps with that smoked effect give it a premium touch. The chrome strip running across the boot adds a little more shine, and overall it feels a lot more upmarket than you would expect in this price bracket. And this is where the Tigor ZX Lux really surprises. So Tata has gone with a dual tone interior theme. So it's a beige and black, which makes the cabin feel brighter and more spacious. You get a 7-inch Harman touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paired with the premium 8-speaker Harman sound system, which is honestly one of the best in this segment. So the driver gets a digital instrument cluster that shows all the basic infos like fuel efficiency, range and trip details in a clean layout. And the climate control is standard here in the Lux variant, and a cooled glove box. Features that you usually don't expect in an affordable sedan. So the leatherette upholstery in beige feels premium. You also get this height adjustable driver seat and a tilt adjustable steering wheel. So overall comfort has been given importance here. Now at the back, the legroom is decent for a compact sedan, and the beige interior once again help in making the cabin feel airier. You also get this armrest with cup holders, which adds to passenger comfort. In this cabin, you get plenty of storage spaces like the cup holders in the center console, 1 liter bottle holders in each door, and a cooled glove box for long drives. Powering the Tigor is Tata's familiar 1.2 liter Revertron 3-cylinder petrol engine, producing around 86 PS and 113 Nm of torque. Now, I won't be driving it in this video, but it comes with both a 5-speed manual and AMT options. So for city commutes and occasional highway runs, the engine is tuned more for efficiency and ease of use rather than outright performance. So Tata claims a mileage of about 90 to 20 kmpl, which makes it one of the more fuel efficient sedan in its class. On the safety front, the Tigor has been rated 4 stars in Global NCAP, which is a huge plus in this segment. It comes with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors and a rear camera. So Tata has clearly put emphasis on safety here. So that's the Tata Tigor ZX Lux. To sum it up, this is a sedan that combines style, practicality, safety and premium features, all at a price point where most people usually go for hatchbacks. If you're someone looking for a stylish family car with good space and features but don't want to stretch your budget too much, the Tigor ZX Lux is definitely worth considering. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For more car reviews, see you in the next one.